A three-phase fault is a fault that has all three phases touching each other, and it may or may not touch the ground. At the end of the day, they're the same fault type. And you have fault. Single line to ground fault is a fault in which one of the phases touch the ground, right? And you may or may not have fault impedance ZF involved. And so you may angle. For a line-to-line fault, however, it does not involve a ground mode, and because it doesn't involve a ground mode, we should not see zero sequence component. In fault, for a double line to ground fault, however, you do have two different faults or two different lines that are in contact with each other, but you also have a contact to ground. So a double line to
GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.